videos coming your way, starting off with this NewJeans dance workout. If you want some more 4th gen K-pop queens workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. We have a 30-minute mashup to songs from NewJeans, La Seraphim, ITZY, and more. And we also have a Patreon-exclusive Stacy dance workout out now. This video is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I've been raving about for a long time now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to high-end luxury perfumes. Think your YSL, Tom Ford, Chanel, etc. They come at just $29 a bottle, starting from that price, and they're all packaged very cute like this. Once you open the package, you'll see there's a little descriptor here. This scent is Aromatic Pineapple. I absolutely adore the fruit scents, but there's a lot of scents to choose from. This one is inspired by a YSL perfume. And then in the box, you'll see there's the main bottle, and then one of my favorite features, which is this little trial size that you can try out the perfume for 30 days before committing to the big bottle here. All of Dossier's perfumes are also 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and made in France. So if you want to check out Dossier perfumes, like I said, a lot of different scents to choose from, and they even offer men's colognes as well. Be sure to check it out, linked in the description down below. Alright guys, let's get dancing!
이 노래는 it's about you baby Only you You 내가 힘들 때 울 것 같을 때 기운도 이제 나지 않을 때 It's you 날 걱정하니 It's you 날 웃게 하니 말은 해도 돼 But what do you say 멀리든 언제든지 달려와 바쁜 척도 없이 난 나타나 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐 너는 말야 He's the one just living in my system baby Oh my god Yes on that I was really hoping that he will come through Oh my god 단 너뿐이야 Asking all the time about what I should do No I can never let him go 너만 생각나 24 넌 행운아야 정말로 I know 너를 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸 I know I'm going crazy right 어디서든 몇 번이든 There ain't nothing else that I would hold on to I hear his voice through all the nights 잠시라도 나서 놓지 마 no 걱정 없잖아 Cause I got someone 혼자라도 괜찮아 Cause I love someone Give me who is he 멀리든 언제든지 달려와 Give me who is he 바쁜 척도 없이 넌 나타나 Give me who is he 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐 Give me who is he 너는 말이야 He's the one that's living in my system baby Oh my god Yes on that I was really hoping that he will come through Oh my god 단 너뿐이야 Asking all the time about what I should do No I can never let him go 너만 생각나 24 넌 행운아야 정말로 I know 너를 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸 I know I'm just living in my system baby Stay in the middle, like you're a little. Don't want no riddle. 말해줘, say it back, oh say it ditto. 아침이 너무 멀어서 say it ditto. 훌쩍 커버렸어 함께한 기억처럼 널 보는 내 마음은 어느새 여름 지나갈 기다렸지 all this time. Do you want somebody like I want somebody 날 보고 웃었지만 do you think about me now yeah all the time yeah all the time I got no time to lose 내 길었던 하루 난 보고 싶어 라따따따 울린 심장 I got nothing to lose 널 좋아한다고 라따따따 울린 심장 But I don't want to stay in the middle like you a little Don't want no riddle 말해줘 say it back oh say it ditto 아침은 너무 멀어서 say it ditto I don't want to walk in this middle 다 아는 건 아니어도 바라던 대로 말해줘 say it back oh say it ditto I want you so say it ditto 난 just anybody 너를 상상했지 항상 다 있던 처음 느낌 그대로 난 기다렸지 all this time I got nothing to lose 널 좋아한다고 라따따따 울린 심장 But I don't want to stay in the middle like you a little Don't want no riddle 말해줘 say it back oh say it ditto 아침이 너무 멀어서 say it ditto I don't want to walk in this middle 다 아는 건 아니어도 바라던 대로 말해줘 say it back oh say it ditto I want you so say it ditto
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you want more 4th Gen Queens of K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon right here. We have an exclusive 30-minute Queens of K-pop dance workout and Stacy workout out now. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.